If you have any interest in business, then you have visited on right channel. In this video, you will gonna learn that what is the most important pillar in any business, because without understanding the basic concepts of business, you can't even think of establishing any business from the scratch. So in any business, you should understand one thing, understand one thing, that business is nothing. It is just a concept. Businesses consist of some systems, some processes that are going around in the business. That's why it's called as business. So you have to understand that this is very important thing to understand. And if you are saying business, it's nothing. It just means sales. It means sales. So understand one thing very deeply, that your business can't survive if this thing is not happening on regular basis. This is most important thing. If this is not happening, you can't even think about doing anything else. And if this thing started happening, then you have to understand, is this happening giving you any profit, or it just happening by cause? So make sure this thing will be profitable for you. It is not making you loss. That's why you have to understand that if any services you are giving, and you are giving for, let's suppose you are giving for $1,000. So make sure you are at least on some margin. Let's say you are on 50% margin. Then at least 500 should be your profit, because this will help you keep running your business alongside. So for that, these concepts you have to understand very well. So for this video, you should just understand one thing. If you want to do this, become excellent in this. And for this, you have to understand negotiation skill. You have to understand your competitors. If you're creating any product, then you should understand that why your competitor product is selling so much. What that thing they are doing that you are lacking. Suppose your competition may be sourcing that product from somewhere, from which they are getting it at very cheap cost, and you are sourcing from somewhere where you are getting in high cost. So you have to understand each and basic and every small details in your business, about your product, your sourcing of your product, from where you are doing, from where the material you are using, what is the quality of that material. You should understand the pricing you decided. It is that the audience or the people or the customer who want to buy that product, are really capable of buying that product at that price, that the price you decided for your product or service. So you have to do every single bit of research regarding your business. In order to make some success in this business, you have to do your homework very well. And if you are thinking, without learning anything, without doing any research, you will just launch because other people are making money, then you will fail very, very fast and very drastically, because they did their homework. That why they are on that top. If you go at any businessman, you will go to talk with any businessman, that you will understand one thing very well, that even they don't have any technical knowledge, even they don't know any technologies related to that product or service they build, but they know about their business and very core of that business very well. They understand sales, they know communication, how to talk with prospect and clients, they know how to close them, they know how to keep that all people, all customer in their pocket. They understand the psychologies of to talk. They know where they should bend down on their knees to get the customers, and where they should stand like a king in order to win the customer. So they understand these all basic psychological things running in order to keep running their business. Okay, so you have to learn this thing very well. For this, you have to do the practice as much you can, because the more you will do, the more practice you will do, the more excellent you will become. Action breathe mastery. Like just thinking, just reading about the things will not help you grow and not help you reach anywhere. You should understand one core thing very clearly, is that action is only thing that will breathe, and action is the only thing that will help you reach anywhere in this life. Because if you are reading 10 books on how to swim, that will not help you learn swimming. It will help you know about what is swimming, what is swimming, what people did, what are world records. Maybe you know these things, but to get the actual experience of swimming, to do actually swimming, you need you need practice. You need practice. You have to learn this. And a person who is doing action, the person who is taking action will always gonna defeat the person who is just learning but not implementing the things. So just go learn and implement things as fast you can, because this channel will gonna make you learn lots of stuffs for free of cost. You gonna understand the basic to advanced level of everything related to business, finance, marketing, money making skills, and everything you will gonna learn from this channel, because this channel is created for one purpose: to help myself and to help the people who are willing to learn and grow in their life. So just learn and do steps as fast you can. That's it for this video. Follow us because more steps are coming to support your journey. Bye bye.